ain't this a bitch? Somebody done chipped my dough and I just now painted my shit. I never own a ranch. You want your Chevrolet running that 40 more band getting spent.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite homegirl, Ashley. I am back at it again with another video. I am so excited today. Omar is giving me a really hard time this morning. He has such a bad attitude.
Why?
These last few days, his attitude has been crazy. But if you got, my face is ashy because I just washed my face. And I haven't purchased a new moisturizer yet. So if you have any serums or moisturizers that you think would go good with my kind of skin, then leave them down below. But guys, so I have a big surprise for Omari. He has no idea because he's 3 years old and he's a crazy 3-year-old. So what we're doing is decorating his room today. I'm really excited. We're decorating his room. If you guys watched my last video, you know I've been in my apartment for 1 month now. So I'm ready to start decorating, getting things together. So I'm ready to start decorating, getting things together and stuff like that. So I'm really excited. Okay, so let me tell you guys now. I purchased everything from Amazon. Every single thing that I'm going to use to decorate his room is from Amazon. I'll leave the links to all of these products down below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, let's get into the video. Guys, right now, this is, hey. This is how Omari's room look. This TV is the 24-inch Insignia Fire TV from Amazon. We set it up last night. We have the LED lights in the back. Very hood, very ghetto. So that's basically how it looks. So I'm gonna prop you guys up on the tripod in the corner and we are gonna get to work. I have packages right here. So yeah, everything's just a complete total freaking mess right now. His closet is empty. I have to go to Dollar General and get a few things as well. All of his clothes are in a box right now. We moved into our apartment 1 month ago and we're still living like we're on the road, so excuse me. But I'm in the process of getting it together. Yeah. So say, welcome to the channel. Welcome to my channel. Should I put this on Mommy and Omari? Should I create a channel for Omari and Mommy? Alright guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, so Omari made me purchase these from Dollar General a couple weeks ago, and they're basically like they're basically just like little cars. So I'm gonna try to hang them on the wall. They were basically a waste of a purchase, but I'm gonna try to use it as decor for his room. So yeah, let's get into it, guys. So I got nowhere because I went through hell this past hour trying to hook up his television. As you can see, I got the LED lights in the back. I got his cars around the border of the TV. All right, y'all, I look a hot mess. I haven't got anything done because the situation was I ordered a 24-inch Amazon Fire TV for my kids' room, and I don't have like Wi-Fi in the house. Like I don't have internet connection in the house. So because I just have my phone, you know, so I just have a mobile hotspot on my iPhone. So I had to call my telephone provider, add a top up for personal hotspot so that I can use my hotspot to connect to the TV. So I went through this whole 2-hour process with Amazon thinking it was Amazon's fault, but it was actually my phone company's fault, because when I called them last night, they were supposed to troubleshoot my phone and they didn't. So yeah, so we got that handled. Omari's here watching TV. I have so much to do. I haven't done anything, but we got this area set up. So far so good. I like it. And yeah, let's get to it. Y'all just don't know how happy I am to be able to do this for my son. This is my 4th apartment ever. I've never had my own room. I did briefly when I used to live with my dad. That's when I was like 8 years old, and that's when I really experienced like what it's like to have my own room. So yeah, maybe like from 8 to 11, I experienced what it was like to have my own room. But prior to that, and once I became a teenager, and once I became like from 11 years old to 17, 18 years old, I didn't have my own room. You know, I always shared a living space with someone else. Like I always shared, you know, a home with someone else. So I didn't have my own room until I turned 18 and moved out on my own. You know, so one thing I promised myself is that I was going to give my son his own room. So when I moved here and the living became more affordable and I was able to find a 2-bedroom apartment that was in my price range, I felt extremely blessed, and I'm very grateful, and I thank God every day, and I'm super appreciative that I'm even in this position to be able to give him something like this, because this is the epitome of being able to give your child something you never had. You get what I'm saying? I slept in the bed with my mother up until I was 17, 18 years old, until I was able to move out on my own. Do you hear me? So God bless you. If you're out there, you're a single mom, keep doing what you're doing, keep striving, keep going. Your baby loves you. I love you. We got this, girl. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I had a really, really difficult time with this particular setup. I don't know why, but I eventually figured it out and got it together. I actually really like this 4 storage drawer. I think I'm gonna get one for my room, as a matter of fact. And yeah, I purchased this because I decided that I did not want to utilize the closet in Omari's room, that I just wanted to put his clothes in one of these. To me personally, it's just so cute. I don't know, it's just cute. I feel like hanging a baby's clothes up in the closet is just like too mature, like too grown up. I don't know, that's just my personal opinion, don't quote me on it. But yeah, so I just used these 4 storage bins, and I rolled Omari's clothes up, like, you know how you roll your clothes when you're traveling. So it's pretty much what I did. So I put his jeans in one and his t-shirts in the other, as well as his socks and underwear. So yeah.
Ooh, I'ma never get over you. I don't wanna start nothing if it's not with you. And I'm like, ooh, I'ma never get over you. I don't wanna start nothing if it's not with you. You make my heart go bada, 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 and it just won't stop.
guys, I am finally finished with the setup of my son's room. So I'm gonna show you guys now. I know I look crazy, but who cares about me? Today's all about my beautiful baby boy. I'm so happy and I'm so blessed and thankful, and I want to give all the thanks to God. Oh my goodness, I want to give all my glory and all my thanks to God right now. Oh gosh, I'm so happy, guys. Okay, so let's go in the room now and check it out. Okay, like, someone please come smack me in the back of my head. Tell me why I recorded this footage upside down. How in the hell did I do that? How did I film this entire 30 seconds or whatever it is, 45 seconds, upside down? Like, I really need my ass whooped. Like, what? Oh my gosh, y'all. I filmed the whole thing upside down. Okay, so when you walk in, there's my baby's coloring. This door is flimsy, so we have something here to keep the door open. This rug, it has the ABCs, and the ABCs is there, the days of the week, the seasons and stuff like that. Excuse Talking Tom, he's over there repeating everything that I say. Say hi.
Hi.
Armstrong. Woo. Okay, so his bedding is from Utopia. It's a twin size sheet set. So yeah, you look up here, and we have basically like these posters, educational posters. So yeah, I purchased these from Amazon. I'll have the links down below to everything. The TV is a 24-inch Insignia 24-inch Insignia Fire TV from Amazon. This here is from Furnimo, if I'm not mistaken. I'll leave the link down below. I put that together on my own. If you go this way, this is from Home Buy. This is their 4-piece storage drawer set. So yeah, I have his shoes here. The lighting is bad in here, guys. And when you look up, what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna bring this down and move this over. All I did was tape them to the wall. So yeah, I want to add some stuff here, maybe like get him some toys. We just moved here, so I want to make sure I fill it up and make it as colorful as possible. But yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. He's happy. You happy?
Happy?
Happy.
Happy.
Yay, happy. So yeah, I think I wanna fill this wall with something. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I know I want to put something on this wall. And like I said, I'm probably gonna move this down or move them right here just to fill that space. And then I might end up moving these down as well because they're pretty high. And I got these because I wanna get him on a schedule and try to homeschool him. So yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
I am out. I'm done. Today has been more than exciting. Omari's gonna take a nap. I'm gonna get dinner started. I have to put something on my stomach. Okay, I am hungry. So I'm about to go in here and start dinner. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll leave the links to all y'all. I purchased everything from Amazon. If you don't believe me, I'll insert the screenshots to prove it to you. Everything came from Amazon, and I spent about $280 for everything. So I purchased the rug, the bedding. He's laying on an air bed, which was stupid as hell of me. but it was the most affordable thing to, you know, get him started. His TV, the TV stand, where his clothes go. Guys, I don't use the closet. This is the closet here. I don't use the closet. I put his clothes there. So yeah. But everything came up to about $280, which was good for me. You get what I'm saying? It was good for my particular budget. And I tried to minimize as much as I could and try to buy the most affordable thing. So he loves it. He's playing, he's happy, he's jumping around. And as long as he's happy, that's all that matters to me. I'm good. Like I said, I'm gonna go get dinner started, and I'll see you guys in my next video. When I come back, I'll be looking way better. I am going to end off the vlog. I love you. Thank you for tuning in. If you made it to the end, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Leave this video a big thumbs up for Omari.
It ain't loving me. Yeah, no, they loving my ride. With my Chevrolet, with my Chevrolet, with my Chevrolet slide. Yeah, they loving me. They loving me. Yeah, no, they loving my ride. With my Chevrolet, with my Chevrolet. I'm the king of the streets, and what I spent on the dunk.